In this lesson, I want to tell you about a problem in the Rhino software. The problem was that I was drawing a curve. Here I am drawing it. At first, you can see it. See, when I click, it disappears. I also can select it with a selection box. But if we go to the top view, for example, we can see our curves, but in perspective view, they're not there. Also, if we click if, we go into render mode, we can see them in perspective as well. But in shaded mode, they're not there. This really bothered me, because sometimes you're drawing some kind of little shape, you select curve, click, click, you draw, and suddenly the curve is drawn, or the curve isn't drawn. It's unclear. So I spent a long time looking for how to fix this, and eventually I found it. To fix it, we need to click right here on the little monitor icon. Display. Here is the invisible curve. And here we can find curves and check the box. There you go. The curve appears. So I've just explained how to fix the invisible curves issue in the Rhinoceros program. This was Robert Eftev with you. Goodbye everyone!